guys, welcome to HSGQ factory. Yeah, right now our new factory is in Bao'an district and Shiyan street. And right now let's see our development history. Yeah, as you can see, our brand is HSGQ and we were established in 2007. And then we explored our brand HSGQ. And then in 2014, we innovated the SIP modules, including the palm modules and the palm stick. Yeah. And we have achieved a good development from 2021. Yeah, right now we own 63 patents. Yeah. Our new junior from 2023 from this new factory. Yeah. And we released the 10 Gpon ONU and Wi-Fi 6 ONU series. And we keep researching and developing our cloud platform. Yeah. And right now, let's see our products. Yeah, as you know, we are manufacturing the OLT, ONU, SIP modules, and the fiber media converter. Yeah, this part is also the new switches from the PL3 switch. And also we are going to release some PoE switches. Here comes to the Gpon OLT. For the Gpon OLT, we have released the new cover for it and also some new chipset solutions. You can contact us for more details about our solutions. Yeah, this is our Gpon stick. Right now we have already released the 10 Gpon stick. You can see it is very mini size, just like the SIP interface. Yeah. And this one is the Gpon OLT. Yeah, we also released some new solution for it, so you can look forward to it. And here comes to the part of our Gpon ONU. Yeah, from the no Wi-Fi or with the single band and the dual band Wi-Fi ONU. Yeah, also from 1G port to the full function like the 4G, including the VoIP ports. Yeah, that's all about our products. So if you have interest to our products, just contact us. We are HSGQ.